Hello, everyone. Now I want to introduce you a 15-meter landing-craft workboat. And this boat is 4 meter wide, which is provide you our big space for work. If you look at the outline, the rod of thunder, the design of the rod of thunder is very good than the boat. And also you can go to the top from the side ladders, and there's a menu David for small cargo. And the windows are all weather-tight windows. It's very good protection for the inside from the different weather conditions. Now let's go aboard to show you more details inside. The ramp door is very convenient for cargoes, for people. It's along the deck. The watertight hatches is for maintenance and also provide to heat to avoid water to go inside. More watertight hatches for fuel tanks, maintenance of fuel tanks and water tanks. On the starboard side, there is a captain chairs which we will install later, and the more bench seats and the tables here, and the bench seat at the port side for more people to work inside the cabin. As a big workboat, I also build a cooktop with electric, with microwave stove, electric stove for roasting, and also thing with fresh water tank for cooking, for drinking, everything. And a cabinet for storage. Here is the bunk bed. It can accommodate 2 people to sleep inside here. And this side is some storage for cabinets, for storage for clothes and other things, and also a bathroom, electric toilet, the hand basin, and we will also install a shower for the people who stay inside. All the doors are customized, very good. And when you look at the back deck, now we are at the rear side, the rear deck of this boat. The bench seat outside is in storage, and this is the sunshade, and we will put the cameras on later. You can also see some sockets. This is because when you do working, you will need some machine. So this boat is also installed with generator and air conditioner for the cabin. It's one collar, and this menu David, which is a mover, so lifting some small articles and equipment. This whole design very convenient for work, and please contact me for more information for code and